Well, outstanding, incomparable, genius. Just a few of the adjectives used to describe Dr. Regina Benjamin.
Dr. Benjamin established the Bayou La Battery Rural Health Clinic back in 1987, and now she is President Barack Obama's choice for Surgeon General.
Fox 10 News reporter Derica Williams joins us live in the studio to tell us about the day's big events. Derica?
Bob and Lenise, President Obama held a news conference this afternoon and officially announced the nomination. He says Dr. Benjamin knows firsthand about the needs of the poor and the uninsured, making her exceptionally qualified to be America's doctor. Now, this moment was also a big day for the city.
Health clinic that she has built and rebuilt in Bayou La Battery. Did I say that right? Well, tell me how to say it. Bayou La Battery. That's in Alabama, people.
He may not have gotten the name of the city right, but many folks think President Barack Obama did get his pick right.
With that, let me introduce the next Surgeon General of the United States, Dr. Regina Benjamin.
Dr. Regina Benjamin stood proudly as President Obama spoke of the reasons he chose her as the nominee. He says she's an outstanding candidate who has a long list of qualifications.
In 1995, she became the first physician under 40 and the first African-American woman to be named to the American Medical Association's Board of Trustees. In 2002, she became president of Alabama's State Medical Association, and she's received numerous awards and recognitions, including the MacArthur Genius Award.
During the Rose Garden News Conference, Dr. Benjamin spoke of her family's health issues, which were an inspiration for her to improve health care for Americans. Public health is near and dear to her heart. She says she wants to be the voice of the people.
I am honored and I am humbled to be nominated to serve as the United States Surgeon General. This is a physician's dream, but for me, it's more than just a job.
Many say Dr. Benjamin is a selfless person who always puts her patients first, even when they can't afford to pay. The impression she left on folks here is priceless. Now Americans get to see why she and her clinic are a pillar in this community.
And finally, I'd like to thank my staff and my patients at our rural health clinic in Bayou La Battery. All of the work over the past 20 years have been for them and for patients like them. And today is no different. So thank you, Mr. President, for having the confidence in me. And if confirmed, I promise I will give you and the American people my best. Thank you.
As you can imagine, the announcement was big news down in the bayou. Well, coming up in our next half hour, I'll let you hear some of the reaction of folks around town. Bob.
Keep in mind the post of Surgeon General is a high-profile one. If confirmed, Dr. Benjamin will become the nation's chief health educator. As you heard, she will use the post to promote disease prevention and improve the country's health. She will serve a 4-year term and report to the Assistant Secretary for Health.
Well, as you can imagine, Dr. Benjamin's nomination is creating a lot of buzz on social networking websites like Twitter here. A lot of people tweeting for more information on the doctor. On our Fox 10 TV Twitter page, we're hearing a lot of comments, especially one coming from GFB3, who tweets about the comments that Senator Jeff Sessions wrote about the nomination today. And we're also seeing a lot of retweets of people just saying wow to that nomination. Of course, we love this interaction with the viewers, so continue to let us know what you think. You can find us on Twitter by going to Fox 10 News. Keep the comments coming.